Tax reporting doesn't have to be stressful. Today, I'll show you how to generate a tax report in TrashFlow so you can have exactly the information you need when filing. It's easier than you might think. What is the tax report? The posting report in TrashFlow can double as a sales tax report. With the proper selections made in the posting report window, the top selection of the report shows your standard posting information, payments received, and charges applied during your selected time period. The bottom section is your sales tax report, showing the taxes you charged customers and your business's total taxable income. Ready to pull your tax information? Let's walk through it together. First, navigate to Reports in TrashFlow's main menu. Select Financial Reports from the options on the right. Click on Posting Reports. Then, select Posting Report to open the Posting Report window. In the Posting Report window, you'll need to set your time period. This determines what time frame tax reports covers, whether it's a month, a quarter, or your full tax year. Make sure to select Show Tax Report in the Posting Report window in order to see your sales tax information in the report. Here's a tip. Keep the preview option selected. This opens the report in your default PDF viewer so you can review everything before printing. It's always smart to double-check the numbers first. Once the report opens, you'll see it's divided into two sections. The top section is your standard TrashFlow posting report. This shows all payments your business received and all charges applied to customer accounts during the selected period. The bottom section shows your sales tax reporting. You will see two totals, cash basis and accrual basis. Cash basis reflects the actual tax you've collected from customers during the set period. Use this if you report taxes based on cash received. Accrual basis reflects the tax you've charged customers during the set period, regardless of whether they've paid yet. Use this if you report taxes on an accrual basis. If you run into any issues while generating your sales tax report, don't hesitate to contact TrashFlow Tech Support. We're here to help. And remember, if you need a more detailed walkthrough of tax reporting or any other TrashFlow feature, you can schedule training with us anytime. We'll make sure you're confident with every process. And there you have it. Generating tax reports in TrashFlow gives you the financial information you need in just a few clicks. Have questions? We're just a phone call away at 800-708-8642. TrashFlow, saving haulers time since 1989.